When babies and kids below the age of 6 get mild cough and cold, generally chemical-based medicines are avoided. Home remedies like elderberry syrup are good for babies. It improves immunity and has no bad side effects. In this video we will explain how to make elderberry syrup for babies under 1 and above 1. We will also discuss appropriate doses for babies of different ages. But, first let's understand how safe elderberry is for babies and kids. Elderberry has long been known as an immunity booster. Elderberry syrup is a traditional remedy that can help reduce your kid's common cold or flu. It is rich in nutrients like vitamin C, dietary fiber, phenolic acids, flavonoids, and anthocyanins. Flavonoids are known to have strong antioxidant properties that help decrease inflammation and fight off numerous diseases. Make sure that you make elderberry syrup from the ripe elderberries only. The elderberry bark, seeds, unripe fruit and leaves contain a cyanide that can be highly toxic for the little ones. Various studies done on adults have shown that elderberry syrup can reduce symptoms of common cold and flu. But there is no large-scale study done on kids or babies. However, there is enough anecdotal evidence that elderberry syrup helps babies with cold, cough and flu. Best way to use elderberry is to make a syrup at home. This gives you full control to decide all the ingredients of the syrup. Here is an effective recipe for elderberry syrup for babies. Add a cup of dried organic elderberries and 2 cups of water in a heating pot. You can add ½ inches of grated ginger root, an inch of cinnamon bark. Heat the pot and let water come to boil. Strain it and let it cool. Discard the solids. Fill it in a jar and store it in the refrigerator. You can add honey and lemon to improve taste and effectiveness, as both are good for cough. Babies above the age of 1 year to the kids up to the age of 6 years can take 1 to 2 tablespoons of elderberry syrup twice a day. Children above 6 can take higher doses of 2 to 4 teaspoons daily for up to a week. Elderberry juice can also be used for babies under the age of 1 in consultation with a doctor. Don't add honey or lemon juice for babies under 1. You can also buy elderberry syrup online and from pharmacies. Follow the manufacturer's recommendations in that case. Bottom line is, the elderberry syrup is good for babies and kids above the age of 1. If you enjoyed the video, then give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Subscribe to the channel to watch more videos.